So you guys know how I had that really ugly orange motorcycle, that dirt bike? It was, what was it, a KTM something or another, KTM butt-ass ugly? Well, over the winter, a few things have happened. One, I no longer have a butt-ass ugly KTM. It is still the same KTM that it was. And it looks just fucking clean as fuck. Got new handlebars, got new grips, got new plastics. Oh yeah. Anyways, we're out here today at the desert. The desert that's covered in snow. This may be a bit more ambitious than safe, practical, intelligent, any of the following really. But I can't wait any longer. It's nice out. I have a dirt bike. This is snow. We'll figure it out. Let's get started. So it's a hair bit muddy out. And a hair bit greasy. Anybody that's ever rode in mud knows that mud fucking sucks. It pretty much just makes you its bitch. Deep. Going deep. I'm gonna try to stay out of the bad stuff. Slide sideways. I don't even know where to go where it would be safe. I'm afraid there's not gonna be a whole lot of log hopping today. Ooh, rut. Probably should just avoid the snow altogether. Just because you can't see what's underneath it. Holy moly. So slippery. Alright. The snow is so hard to get through. Ruts. This might have been a little ambitious. We're getting a little stuck. It's deep. It's deep. Come on. Okay, I know that that's a ledge right there. Come on, baby. This is a fucking workout. Man, just when you think you're getting any sort of traction, it just bucks out underneath you. Deep, deep. That's prairie grass underneath. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. No idea what the surface underneath looks like. I know I'm not going very fast, but it feels like I'm flying. Holy moly. There's some perspective for you. Anybody that's been with this channel for a couple months knows that that's a log we like to hop. And it's probably 2 feet deep or 2 feet tall. It's a fun log. That's buried. This is hard out here. Oh man, I'm already getting arm pump from just fighting that fucking snow. Oh, this isn't so bad over here. Until you get to this stuff. This stuff's just slime. Well, that's peculiar. A lone Coke bottle just sitting there. I remember the last time I rode in the super thick mud, I fucking fell into a ravine. It's so much fun. It's dangerous and hard to get through and exhausting, but ooh, let's not go in the lake. Oh, just about lost it there. Just about lost it there. Whoa, just about really lost it there. Man, when you get in those cross ruts, that's just a death sentence. When you get one tire in it and the other out, that's just fucking, you're pretty much just right into the fucking mud. I know there's not a whole lot going on in this video, guys, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to not die. And this is just a touch face sort of thing on the dirt bike. To know that my dirt bike fans haven't been forgotten. That I'm still here. Ah, where's the road? The road was supposed to be here. Ah, it's a giant log. What the hell? There's people out here. Why are they way out here? Just walking. Are you guys all right? Oh, okay, I saw you, I was like, this is a weird place to find people. Okay, I was just making sure you weren't stuck out there somewhere. Yeah, no problem. They're just out for a walk, I guess. Weird place for a walk, but who am I to judge? It's deep. Yeah, we're stuck. Whoa, that was a big hole. Holy shit. Oh, it's so weird. There's like no grip, and then it gives you tons of grip. Alright, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. You know, just touching base, making sure you guys knew I was still here, still had a dirt bike, still had the promise of videos. It's just lots of complications. My last one, oh my god, I gotta tell you guys about the last one. Last week we had a blizzard, like a really bad blizzard, like 30-mile-an-hour winds, and just nuts. Just absolutely fucking crazy. And I decided to take the motorcycle to the Hawk 250 out with its studded tires. Dude, that was like some of the most fun riding I've ever done. It was so scary and intense. I wish I had the footage, but when I got home to upload the footage, it had all deleted itself. So I was trying to find a way to recover it, but no luck. Footage is just gone. So sorry about that. It could have been a really awesome video for you guys, but it's gone. Anyways, if you liked that video, be sure to hit that like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Ulrich27, and until next time, peace.